Hello guys, it's Flout here. I'm back again with another video, and today guys I'll be showing you how to set up ticket tool in your Discord server. Ticket tool is the thing that your server needs, because if your server is important or it's famous, or you get annoyed from getting DMs from your server members that needs help, you can just add Discord ticket tool system to your Discord server, and people will just open tickets, and your admins or mods will help you answer the questions that your members need faster than DMs. But before we go out into the video, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and comment below if the video helps you, and make sure to join my Discord server. There's a Nitro giveaway going on right now. Join now. There's only 109 reactions. Chances of winning is big, so join now and join the giveaway. I'll leave the link in the description. The link will be on the screen too. And let's get right into the video. So first of all, you want to go to your browser and search tickettool.xyz. Then it will take you to here. So we want to press manage servers, the white button over here. Then it will take you to this page. It will tell you need to log in with your Discord account. So I'm going to log in with my Discord account. I'm logged in as FloutYT. Okay, so right now it shows you the servers that I have firms in and the server that I want to add the bot to. I'm going to add the bot to the server that I want to test the bot in. So then I'm going to press invite. It will take you to this page. So I choose the server that you will invite the bot to. Then I press continue, authorize, and I'm obviously a human. So now you're gonna close this window and open another window and type tickettool.xyz again. Then you want to go to manage servers. Then you want to manage your ticket tool setup, the server that you invited your bot to. Then you want to go to panel configures. So it will tell you create a panel. Create a panel is like create a ticket. So you want to make the ticket, you can give it a name. I'm gonna name it like help and support. Then who can press the ticket? I'm gonna everyone you wanna press the ticket if you want to. Then the panel, the ticket channel. You wanna press the ticket channel. Then you wanna create panel. If it tells you this, then it's already created. And so if you head over to the server that you invited your bot to and click the channel that you made a panel on, you will see that it made the ticket, and the ticket will look like this. When you act on this, it will open the channel like this. So this is a private channel. Only mods and the one who opened the ticket and the server owner will only see this. So you can just talk with him here, and we're done. You can press close. The command is money close, or you can just press this lock and wait for the two reactions to hop on and press the tick. Then it will say you want to delete the ticket or reopen ticket, like reopen it, or save the transfer. Okay, so I'm gonna delete the ticket as I want to. So it says the ticket will be deleted in 5 seconds, and it will no longer be there, as you can see, and the tickets will always be up there. And this actually, when I had an old server, this actually helped me a lot. Like, I got a lot of questions, a lot of suggestions. I had a lot of things, and help and support ticket that I made in my old server, like, it helped me a lot. I didn't get a lot of DMs. It was annoying getting a lot of DMs daily, so it was good answering the tickets with your mods, and you know. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure to join my Discord server to not miss out the Nitro giveaway and to not miss out any other new videos. I also upload daily tips and tricks, like every 2 to 3 days, as if I am free. And shout out to the person who made my logo. The link will be in the description, and his name will appear on the screen right now. He's a really good graphic designer, so if you want any work, go DM him. The name will be on the screen right now. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.